Hi, my name is Sebastian, and today we are creating a routing bot in GridSpace. We are taking on the fictional case of Trailblaze trailers. They are selling and renting out trailers. Now, in our case, we want to ask the caller if they're interested in a purchase or rental, and then we want to assign them to different teams based on that input, and assign them to an agent based on a round-robin system. We'll use this with the help of a custom connector we will create ourselves. Okay, let's jump into it. Now, how we will create this round-robin system is we'll use a custom connector, which will create a random number, and based on random number, we will assign an agent to the caller. So I'll show you right now. In this code, you can see right here, I created a new connector, and I've created a name and a type custom script connector. And this is the code we're running. So the code here, we are creating a variable, and inside that variable we are storing or creating a random number from 1 to 3. Now what decides that is this number right here. So if I want a number from 1 to 10, I could put 10 here, but right now we want a number from 1 to 3 because there are 3 agents per team we want to assign. So 1 to 3 is fine. And then we want to set a session tag to that number we are creating, which we're doing right here, session.setTag, and we're setting this is the tag we're setting. We're going to use this in the playbook later. So random_num is the tag we're using in the playbook, and then this is the variable we are creating right here, which will kind of store the number. So we are putting random_num equals to random number, and you can copy this code from this video, or you can copy it from the corresponding article to this video. Now I'll show you how this works in the playbook. So in the playbook right here, you see we have our first page, we have an intro script, and then we have added some options right here, asking the caller if they're interested in purchasing or renting. And then we are assigning them to the team based on that. Now, for example, let's say if they say purchase, we go to this formula right here, we should create by using this add logic button. And the formula right here, it runs the connector, which then again creates a number between 1 and 3 and stores it in the random number tag right here. So what is happening here is it checks if equals a random number equals 1, it goes to this agent. If it equals 2, it goes to Jackson. If it equals 3, it goes to Sophia. That is how we're creating a round-robin system. Kind of a fair system for assigning each agent their own lead. And once it's assigned, for example, the random number equals 3, then it will go to Sophia. And we have an exit script right here. And we have made this page an outcome page. And we want also remember to name the outcome the same as something descriptive. So in this case, the outcome is we route it to Sophia, so we'll just call it Sophia. And how this will look, we'll go to the call flow next. And now we are in the call flows. As you can see here, we have created an inlet with a number and a bot where we have added our Trailblaze's trailers bot. We created it in the bots here. If you want to know how to create a bot and also create a simple call flow, you can go into the Grace 101 video on our YouTube channel. So then go back to this. We have chosen our bot right here, and we've also chosen the playbook we have created right here as the playbook we're following. And once you save this before anything else, you will see these playbook outcomes, which are the outcomes we have created, our custom outcomes. And you see you have Ethan, Jackson, Sophia, Liam, Olivia, and Ava. And these are going out to outlets where we are routing to their number. So how we did this is just by we create an outlet like this, and then we route them to the number of the agent. All right, let me show you how this would work.
Hi, and welcome to Trailblaze Trailers. I am Grace, the virtual assistant who will help you today. Would you be interested in purchasing or renting a trailer?
To purchase.
Okay. Please hold one moment. I will transfer you over to Jackson, one of our sales agents.
So just to explain what happened there, I called up, it routed me to this playbook, and I said I wanted purchasing. I went to this formula, which then ran this random number connector, which we created earlier. It created a random number, and this number was then equal to 2, and it routed me to Jackson. Now, one thing more to note about this formula is you see here, we have added the otherwise section, which what happens if none of these numbers is found. If it doesn't equal 1, 2, or 3, it kind of defaults to Ethan, which is a nice kind of defaulting if an error happens. And that was it. If you'd like a more detailed guide, you can check out the corresponding article to this video, where I go through step by step of the process. And if you'd like to ask us any questions, you can do that at gridspace.com and send us a mail there. Thank you.
Hello, thank you for calling Gridspace's YouTube channel. Did you make sure they liked the video and smash that subscribe button?
Yes, I did.
And ask them to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments. It helps me a ton. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to talk to me yourself, go to gridspace.com and click on any one of our demos. Thank you, and talk to you soon.
Thank you, Grace.